Okay, hello everybody. So anyway, we're starting this thing off with I put a whole onion in here and 2 medium-sized bell peppers and just saute it till the onions become cooked down and translucent. And then I added the green bell pepper first with the onions, or about halfway through cooking onions, I added the green bell pepper. Now I cooked the green bell pepper down a little. Now I'm gonna add the red bell pepper in. Okay, so now I added the red bell pepper, and we're gonna cook that down a little bit. What we're doing is we're just basically making the sauce for the shrimp Creole, and we'll cook the shrimp separately per order, and because you don't want the shrimp just cooking away in the sauce. So give me some time to cook this red bell pepper down, and I'll show you what else we add inside of it. Oh, I already salt and peppered it a little too, in layers. So especially when you're cooking your onions, salt and pepper it, and then I'll cook down these red bells in a little bit and get back to you in a little bit. All right. Okay, so we cooked down the bell peppers and everything now, and then so check it out. We're gonna add V8 juice to this. Okay, it's about 3 cans total. And just bring it to a simmer and let all the flavors meld together. So far we got carrots, we got onions, 1 whole onion, 2 medium green bell peppers, and 2 medium red bell peppers. Okay, and salt and pepper. And what we'll do is we'll add a little granulated garlic. Then as we're reducing everything, we're gonna add a little bit of fresh jalapenos in there, and a couple more items. So a little bit of granulated garlic, not too much. Don't have to salt and pepper it yet. Let's cook everything down first, and then we'll salt and pepper at the end to taste. So let's just give this a few minutes, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as this cooks down a little bit. Okay, so it's been going for about 15-20 minutes now. It's been simmering away. What I'll do right now is I'll add a little bit of red Cabernet, just a little bit. And I chopped up 2 medium jalapenos. 1 I left the seeds in, and 1 is without the seeds. So we'll dump that inside there too. And then give it a nice stir. And we'll let this go for about another 20 minutes to reduce down, let all the flavors meld together, and I'll get back with you guys, okay? See you in a bit. Okay, so we've been simmering for about a good another 15 minutes after we added the jalapenos and everything. Right now what we'll do is we'll get for this amount we want about 7 dashes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's put 10 dashes of Tabasco sauce. And we'll squeeze in about a half a lemon. I'm sorry, half a lime. Okay. So we'll let that cook down for another 5 minutes. What we'll do is we'll salt and pepper it again to taste, and then we can start putting together the final product. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so about 5 minutes now. What we'll do is we'll add salt. I tasted it already. We'll add a little bit more salt, and got some pepper. Get that going in there. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so now the last step on this is we're gonna add a little sugar. That way we'll take away the acid from the tomatoes and just give it a little bit more flavor. Hang on. Okay, so don't worry, I'll have the recipe for you guys later on our website. Let's try that first, see how it goes. Perfect. Okay, so we'll just let it blend together a little while more. 5 more minutes of simmering, and then we'll put together a final dish. Remember, we're not adding the shrimp into this. This is just your sauce. What we'll do is we'll saute the shrimp up, add the sauce to the saute pan, saute everything together, and then you have your final product. All right, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, so now that we got the sauce done, this is kind of the consistency you're looking for. We got some butter heating up in this pan. We just throw a couple little chopped garlic in there, and we start sauteing the shrimp. Remember, fire is no good, okay? You really don't want fire. You think you watch it on a TV, fire is flame. It's actually not good. You're just adding carbon to your food, and it's not a good thing. But just get that shrimp sauteed up a little. All you want it is about 1/3 cooked. Add some lime juice to it. Then what we'll do is we'll get a couple of ladles of this Creole sauce and just pour it in. And just let it simmer for a while. Get the shrimp cooked through. And that's pretty much it, guys. Real simple. Now, this is not authentic shrimp Creole from Louisiana or anything like that, but it's our version of it, and it's really, really good. It's quicker than the original recipe. I think you guys will like it. It's a simple recipe and has a lot of flavor. So just put everything on there, get your sauce, put it over, and that's pretty much it. Shrimp Creole over white rice. You know, back in Louisiana they probably have some dirty rice going, but you know, when you're from Hawaii, do is put a couple of avocados on there. that's it. Hope you guys enjoy it. Shrimp Creole our style, and give it a try. Folks definitely enjoy it. I'll have the recipe down on our website. We're opening our website soon. Within a week it'll be up and running. It'll be hapahawaiian.com. We have a lot of recipes, a lot of stuff on it. Explore the website, go through all the pages, take a look. I think you guys will enjoy it. And if you guys have any questions about this dish, just let me know. Like I said, I'll have the recipe down for you guys in a little bit. And you guys be safe out there, stay blessed, and we'll talk to you guys soon. Aloha.